If you've lost access to your Brighthouse financial account and no longer have your phone number, follow these steps to recover your account. This guide will help you regain access through alternative methods. Step 1. Visit the Brighthouse financial website. Go to the official Brighthouse financial website using a web browser. Look for the login section to begin the recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, locate and click on the Forgot Password link. This will direct you to the account recovery options available. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. After submitting your email, check your inbox for a recovery email from Brighthouse Financial. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password or regain access to your account. Step 5. Contact customer support. If you do not receive the recovery email or encounter issues, reach out to Brighthouse Financial's customer support. Provide them with your account details and explain your situation for further assistance. By following these steps, you should be able to recover your Brighthouse Financial account without needing your phone number. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support for help.